This video is designed to show you how to add the various shipping options to your products. So the first thing you need to do is go to Shipping Classes under the Products section. And as you've already discovered, it's quite easy to add shipping classes. I've added 3 new classes: Print Small, Print Medium and Print Large. And you've added Book, which was called Book UK, but I've now changed that simply to Book. The reason being that we'll define the regions or the locations such as the UK, the EEC and international shipping in the Woocommerce settings. So this is where you group together products which will share the same shipping. So if you want to add any new shipping classes, this is where you would do it. So once you've added your shipping classes, head over to Woocommerce, to Settings, and then click on the Shipping tab, and then under Shipping, select Table Rate Plus. And this is the new plugin that I've installed to allow you to set more complex shipping rates. Just moving down the settings here, you can ignore all these here. You can ignore class priority. And the first area you need to concern yourself with really are the shipping zones. So this is where you define the different zones or regions that you would like to sell to. The first, you wanted the UK, EEC and international, which I've set up for you. So obviously the UK is the United Kingdom. EEC, I've added these countries for you. And international, I've added these countries so far. Now you can add as many countries as you wish here, but you obviously have to think about they're all going to be sharing the same shipping cost. So you need to do some research perhaps there, or ensure that whatever you specify is going to cover shipping to any of these particular countries. So to add more, for example, if you wanted to add Canada, you click there and start typing, and there Canada, hit return, and that adds Canada. Say you wanted to add another country, Brazil. There we are, there's Brazil. And when you've added all the countries you're prepared to ship to, you can save your changes. And this is the area where you specify the charges for the various shipping classes or categories and how they relate to the different regions that you've set up, or the different shipping zones here. So I've set up small, medium and large prints, and just to show you how this works, let's add a new table rate. So we haven't set up anything for books yet, so we'll select Book, and the zone here is the UK, standard shipping. By the way, standard shipping, these are called shipping services, so you may want to add express delivery or next day delivery or something like that, and this is where you would do that, but for now we're just sticking with standard shipping. So to ship a book to the UK, we can add the price here, cost per item. So let's say £2.25, which I think was what you wanted to use for your book shipping cost. Then let's add another one, and this time let's select the EEC, and Let's call that £3.50. And of course, you just set whatever you think is the correct or the most appropriate shipping cost. Let's add one more for the books. International, we select book, and we'll say to send the book internationally, it's £7. And once we've done that, we can save our changes. So how does this work in the, well, first of all, we maybe need to have a look at how we add those shipping classes to the products. So if we head over to products, and let's add the book shipping class to the book. So I'm going to search for white work. And in the white work settings, if we look at shipping, the shipping class we need obviously is book, and update. Now when a customer goes to buy this book, depending on what they put into their country field, into where their location is, that will decide what the shipping is going to be. So just to demonstrate that, let's go to the front end and let's buy the white workbook. So I'm going to add that to the basket and view the basket. And you can see here, standard shipping $2.25. The browser has detected that I'm located in the UK very cleverly, but the main work is done when we go to the checkout. So the browser may have known that I had already selected the United Kingdom, and it's put in the shipping charge for the United Kingdom for a book, which is $2.25. But say I was located in France, it should add the shipping rate for France, for the EEC, which it has done. If I was based in the United States, it knows that that's an international shipping rate and it adds the appropriate amount there. So that's how that works. So say I decide, actually I want to add another product. And I'm going to add A Vision of Rosalind, and I think that's a medium print. That's how I defined it. View the basket. And now it's added the shipping for A Vision of Rosalind and the White Workbook based on me being located in the, well, here it's reverted to the United Kingdom, so it's £7.25. Let's pretend I'm in Germany, and there it's changed the shipping. So this is how it works in the front end. If somebody is in Turkmenistan or a country to which you're not shipping, it simply comes back with there are no shipping methods available, and when the person tries to purchase, it won't actually allow them to do that. Invalid shipping method. So that's a good overview of how this shipping method works. You may be wondering, well, you know, we've got to add all these shipping classes to the products, and there is a nifty little shortcut to do this. So if we go to the products page and say we want to add a new shipping rate to all these products here, we can select edit. These are bulk actions, edit or move to bin. Obviously what we want to do is edit, and then we click on apply, and now we can bulk edit the products that we just selected. And the one that we're interested in, obviously you can see down here the ones that I've selected, is the shipping. And here we can change the shipping class, and I'm going to change this to print medium, and then click on update, and then all the products we just selected will now be set to print medium. So just go to check that, show how that works. Shipping, print medium. So that's a very nifty way to go through your products and just select all the ones in this list that you want to be in the same category. Select edit, apply, and then anything that you do will apply to the ones that you've selected. I didn't select anything, of course, so let's just select a few here. Edit, apply, and then all the ones I've selected just now, just here, I can change in bulk. So you can do this for other things, you know, in stock, manage, and so on, but this is the main thing that where we need to change things. So I'm not actually going to edit those. The only products I've changed are the canine prints here, and I've also added, as you saw, the book shipping class, and I've also changed the shipping class on Rosalind, but I'll set all those to no shipping, and I'll leave that up to you. I hope that's been helpful, and if you have any questions, obviously just give me a call or send me an email. That's how to change the shipping options.